Shalom, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we'll be learning Hebrew through sentences. This method not only helps you expand your vocabulary, but also gives you a deeper understanding of the language structure, just like how children naturally learn to speak. So, without further ado, let's begin. To ask, can I get a menu? Say, אפשר לקבל תפריט? אפשר, is it possible? לקבל, to get. תפריט, a menu. To say, I like to sleep. As a male, say, אני אוהב לישון. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לישון, to sleep. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת לישון. To ask, what's the weather today? Ask, מה מזג האוויר היום? מה, what, מזג האוויר, the weather, היום, today. To ask, are you thirsty? When speaking to a male, say, אתה צמא? אתה, you, singular male, צמא, thirsty, singular male. You would notice that what I actually said is, you are thirsty. But what would make it into a question is the way you say it. To ask, are you thirsty? When speaking to a female, ask, את צמאה? את, you, singular female, צמאה, thirsty, singular female. To say, the cat is sitting on the chair. Say, החתול יושב על הכיסא. החתול, the male cat. יושב is sitting, singular male. על, on, הכיסא, the chair. To say, I am reading a book. As a male, say, אני קורא ספר. אני, I, קורא, am reading, singular male, ספר, a book. And as a female, say, אני קוראת ספר. To ask, are you coming tomorrow? When speaking to a male, ask, אתה בא מחר? אתה, you, singular male, בא, coming, singular male, מחר, tomorrow. And when speaking to a female, ask, את באה מחר? את, you, singular female, באה, coming, singular female, מחר, tomorrow. To say, she goes to bed early, say, היא הולכת לישון מוקדם. היא, she, הולכת is going, singular female, לישון, to sleep, מוקדם, early. To say, I like this movie. As a male, say, אני אוהב את הסרט הזה. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, את הסרט, the movie, הזה, this, singular male. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת את הסרט הזה. To ask, can I help you? When speaking to a male, ask, אפשר לעזור לך? אפשר, is it possible? לעזור, to help. לך, to you, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, אפשר לעזור לך? To ask, where is the bus station? Ask, איפה תחנת האוטובוס? איפה, where? תחנת, the station of. האוטובוס, the bus. To say, I understand you as a male speaking to a male, say, אני מבין אותך. אני, I, מבין, understand, singular male, אותך, you, singular male. And as a male speaking to a female, say, אני מבין אותך. To say, I understand you as a female speaking to a male, say, אני מבינה אותך. אני, I, מבינה, understand, singular female, אותך, you, singular male. And as a female speaking to a female, say, אני מבינה אותך. To say, I want to buy this, as a male, say, אני רוצה לקנות את זה. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לקנות, to buy, את זה, this. And as a female, say, אני רוצה לקנות את זה. To ask, do you have children? When speaking to a male, ask, יש לך ילדים? יש, there is, לך, to you, singular male, ילדים, children. And when speaking to a female, ask, יש לך ילדים? To say, she speaks fast, say, היא מדברת מהר. היא, she, מדברת, speaks, singular female, מהר, fast. To say, I like to travel, as a male, say, אני אוהב לטייל. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, לטייל, to travel. And as a female, say, אני אוהבת לטייל. To ask, what is your name? When speaking to a male, ask, מה השם שלך? מה, what, השם, the name, שלך, of yours, singular male. And when speaking to a female, ask, מה השם שלך? מה, what, השם, the name, שלך, of yours, singular female. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.